In this video, I'm going to build my entire bolts from the makers of Meccano Collection.
Welcome to Chuck's Metal Models.
Hello. Back in 2017, long time ago, you could go to Dollar Tree and for $1 you could get an actual Meccano kit. These bolts from the makers of Meccano were from Dollar Tree. On the back of them, it says Spin Master, so you know it's real Meccano, but it says imported, well, in the United States, imported by Greenbrier International Corp. That's where everything from Dollar Tree is from. And these sets I did purchase from Dollar Tree, yes. Nowadays, if you go to Dollar Tree, let me move for a second and I'll bring you what you get. Nowadays, they sell Make It Block metal kits. And the Make It Block metal kits are the ones that are 1 centimeter spacing between the holes, where these bolts from Meccanos, they have the spacing between the holes of 1/2 inch. These are true Meccano. Let me just open up one for now. I will open them all up. I know I can open this because I just put it back in here because I've had these built a long time ago and I just repackaged them. What was I opening up for? Okay, let's look at what the parts are on one of them. Cause yeah, I just tore them apart and put them back in little baggies. So this is one. And if you look at the parts, they say Meccano on them. They are Meccano. Some of the parts are plastic. I mean, that is $1 from Dollar Tree back when they were $1, not $1.25. So I'm going to film each of these in a speed build. I'll attach a speed build of all 6 of them at the end, and I'll come back in a little bit and show you all 6 of them built. So let me go to the speed builds, and a second later you'll see them all built. Well, there we are. I'm back. This is my 6 bolts collection. Let's set them up here. 2 race cars, 2 planes, a helicopter, and a bulldozer. I don't know if this is a complete collection or not, because on the boxes, I should have written this down. I was going to and I didn't think about it. But they're numbered. I got number 1. Okay, 599, 601, 604, 606, 97, and 95. So I got 95, 97, 99, 01, 04, 06. So there's some gaps in numbering. I don't know if this is a complete collection or not. I bought these 17 years ago, so this is more of a nostalgia. You're not going to be able to buy these to build unless you find them at a second-hand store somewhere. Now the instructions, they pretty much one instruction on the back of the box. Here's how all the pieces go together. They don't tell you the order to put them together, anything. And let's see, one of these would turn out to be a nightmare. This orange plane was a nightmare. In here, you gotta get 4 different screws in there, and it's like, where do you get your fingers in there? It's like, on the wrenches, they get a little part here where you can put the the nut in to try to hold them in, but it's kind of hard. And let's see, it's one right here they use lock nuts on. That way it does roll. Well, if you don't tighten it too tight, it does roll. Let's loosen this one up ever so slightly. Because the back, the wheels spin, but I over tighten the front a little. Because these, the wheels roll because you use two nuts to hold it on. So you can take the nuts and tighten them together, and that lets the wheel spin. I mean, these were from Dollar Tree. I was surprised years ago, Dollar Tree, it's like, wow, that's actually Meccano parts. So I have 6 of them. I don't know how many were. It's nostalgia. Let's see, 2017. That's 7 years ago. Wow. This is ancient history. But I had them for a long time sitting on my mantle, and now I got a bunch of Lego on my mantle, so I took them apart, threw them in my collection, and all the parts blended together. So these may not all be exact parts that came with these, but they are all Meccano parts originally, and these are all Meccano parts now. They just go in a big box of parts, and I had the boxes all saved because for some reason I had them all opened up, folded flat, and I had them on a shelf flat so I could pull the boxes back out. I found some Ziploc baggies and went through all my parts and put all the parts together, and I just built them, which you see the speed builds at the end. I mean, they go pretty quick, and it's not like building Lego where you can see the thing build. It's like, yeah, a bunch of parts you build, and all of a sudden, boom, everything's together. I haven't watched a speed build, so that'll be interesting to see how well they show out, and I will have chapters so you can go to each speed build individually and see them and maneuver through my video. So, like I said, this is from Spin Master, which is the company that owns Meccano now, and these were imported by Greenbrier International Incorporated. So that says that these are Dollar Tree, because if you look at the new Dollar Tree, let's pull up the back of, well, let's see, this one's a Lego compatible nut, but Greenbrier International Incorporated. So actually it's a little different now. It used to be, let's see, in the United States, imported by PAR, in USA, Oxford. Yeah, they kind of, it's the same thing. It's like fabricated in China. Let's see, made in China. So made in China, yeah, they are. So I don't know. It looks like all the parts were Meccano, so they are different. You don't get bolts by Meccano anymore, so if you see them, this is what they are. My first speed build will be this Biplane. My second speed build will be this plane. And the instructions are on the back in case you didn't notice in the speed build. And my third speed build will be this helicopter. And my fourth speed build will be this race car. And the fifth speed build will be this other race car. And my sixth speed build will be this Bulldozer. This one doesn't have it in Spanish.
Thank you from Chuck's Meadow Models. Please leave a comment and let me know what you think. Please like and subscribe. Until we build again.